Kindli. Hungarian cookie for Purim. A side dish from Hungary. Serves 4. You will need 37 ingredients. Step 1. Place the flour in a large bowl and make a well in the center. Put the whole eggs plus 1 egg yolk into the center and blend with your fingers. Step 2. Add the softened butter or margarine and knead together. Dissolve the yeast in the warm water and then add to the potatoes. Step 3. The warm potatoes will help to activate the yeast. Step 4. Puree the potatoes and add to the flour mixture. Add the sugar, salt, vanilla, lemon rind, and enough wine to bind the ingredients together. Step 5. Knead well until a hard, smooth dough is achieved. Divide into round balls and let stand, covered, while you make the filling, about 45 minutes. Step 6. Preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. When the filling is ready, punch the dough and divide each ball of dough again into 6 or 7 round balls. Step 7. Roll the dough out and cut circles 3 inches in diameter. Put 1½ tablespoons filling in a line down the center, leaving a ½ inch border. Fold the top and bottom of the circle over to cover the ends of the filling. Step 8. Then take the left side over to the left edge. 2/3 of the dough to cover the sides together at the center and edges, as if you were tucking a baby into his blanket. Step 9. Place on an ungreased cookie sheet. Brush with remaining 2 egg yolks. To make a large kindli, take one of the original 6 balls and roll out the dough about 7 inches in diameter. Smear with the filling. 10. Fold the top and bottom over into 1-inch
Brush with
flaps.
the egg yolks and place
Then
on
roll
an
from one
ungreased
side
cookie
like a
sheet.
jello roll. Bake about 30 to 45 minutes, depending upon the size of the kindli, until golden brown. Step 11. Halfway through cooking, it is a good idea to brush more egg yolk on the kindli to achieve a lovely glazed effect. Step 12. To make the poppy seed filling, combine the sugar and water and simmer while stirring over a low heat. Step 13. Grind the poppy seeds in a food processor or blender. Add to sugar mixture. Add egg whites, vanilla, rinds and juices, rum, raisins, figs, and cinnamon. Simmer for about 5 minutes. Step 14. Add the jam and butter, and simmer until the butter is melted and all ingredients are combined. For firmer filling, place in refrigerator for a few minutes. Step 15. To make the nut filling, combine all the above ingredients and mix well. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.